Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Imprisonment. Imprisonment means state of being imprisoned. For example, he was sentenced to 2 months imprisonment. He was sentenced to 2 months imprisonment. Synonyms: incarceration, internment, confinement.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. A sentence of imprisonment is intended to restrict the rights and freedoms of a prisoner. Now, repeat after me. A sentence of imprisonment is intended to restrict the rights and freedoms of a prisoner. The second exemplar. The offense is punishable under the United States law by more than 1 year of imprisonment. Now, repeat after me. The offense is punishable under the United States law by more than 1 year of imprisonment. The third exemplar. All sentences were to be concurrent, so his sentence was a total of 5 years imprisonment. Now, repeat after me. All sentences were to be concurrent, so his sentence was a total of 5 years imprisonment.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
There are 7 ways to spell the sound EE in English. This sentence contains all of them. He believed Caesar could see people seizing the seas.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.